If you saw my last surprise package time, you might be wondering what these parts were that came along with this Adafruit kit. Well, these are designed to hold these glass lenses right here that make the eyeballs pop out. And here you can see what it looks like with and without the glass lenses installed. As you can see, the eye is way more pronounced, although it does ruin some of the nice viewing angles that these IPS displays provide. So as long as you view it within the narrow angle, it looks amazing. And if you view it outside of it, it just disappears. But I got the kit because low viewing angles do not bother me that much, and it just looks so cool. Alright, hopefully that might answer a question or two from anybody who watched Surprise Package Time, number 22.